There are 3 reasons why you could be watching this video. 1, you want to be like Afmal. 2, you want to learn how to animate eyes. Or 3, you want to learn how to animate eyes, but you asked on the Discord server instead of looking up the tutorial. So McHorse linked to this. Either way, in this video, I'll be explaining to you what the eye rig is and how to use it. The eye rig is a model that lets your characters blink or change their facial expression through eyes. But unlike the Alex 3D morph, it's a separate model you can position freely. So today, to demonstrate it, we'll be creating a blinking animation. I'll be using a model block, but you can use the director block or the scenes menu, any of them is fine. We're going to select a sequencer morph so we can animate this model. Then we'll pick Alex as our base. In order to have the eye rig on our model, you need to create a skin without eyes, or else you'll have 2 layers of eyes on your skin, and you wouldn't want that. Once you've done that, go into the body part menu and click Add. Select the head as our location for the body part because that's where the eyes will go, and pick the eye morph. Once you've checked the eyes have been added, go back and click Edit. Before we continue, make sure Animates is ticked on and the duration is set to 3. We'll get back to this later. For now, let's get into how the eye rig works. Here's the eye rig by itself, and this is the skin wrap it uses. When it comes to making skins for the models, knowing its muscles will be very important. Here's what each part of the skin corresponds to. The pupils, the scleras, which is the white parts, the top eyebrows, and the side eyebrows. Each muscle can be translated, scaled, and rotated freely. And before you start writing your comment, yes, HD skins work too. If you want to import your own eye rig skins, just like any other model, place them in the eyes_Alex skin folder. Oh, and just because the eye rig is your average 2x2 pixel skin, you don't have to limit yourself by it. You can use the pupils by themselves, remove the eyebrows, HD skins. You can get creative with them as long as you follow the skin format. Feel free to experiment with it. In the meantime, let's start working on animating. Head back into the sequencer and we're going to duplicate the morph 2 times. Set the duration of the second morph as 3. Then go back into the body part menu until you reach the eye morph. Remember how I said to tick this box and set the duration to 3? Let me explain why. Ticking this box means the eyes will animate instead of a choppy stop motion. It's up to style, but I'd recommend it. The duration of your eye model dictates how long it takes for the animation to play. You usually want this to be even to or shorter than the duration of the base morph in the sequencer. Otherwise, the animation won't play out completely. Going back into the eye rig, go to its pose editor. Using the translate and scale tools, we're going to animate the eyes so that they blink. I have my own process, but don't be afraid to try out different ways of animating. If you're still new to this, here's how I do it. I usually like to translate the pupils and the scleras downward by 1 and scale them to 0 on the y-axis. Then I translate the top eyebrows downward to where the eye started, around 1.5 on the y-axis. I tend to leave the side eyebrows alone. Once that's done, step back and behold at your animated masterpiece. And that's how the eye rig works. If you'd like to try it out yourself, the files for eyes_Alex is on McHorse's Discord server in the BB model section or in the description below. I'm excited to see what you guys do with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask away in the comments section or on McHorse's Discord server. Otherwise, I hope you learned something new, and goodbye!